Hello, dear Homely members and investors. Welcome to Homely Market Watch. Today is December the 10th, Thursday. This is MG from Homely Chat. So today I will share you a topic, a sign that the stock is about to shoot up. Last 2 days are very busy, so a little bit late, so didn't record the translated version of the market watch. So, but basically, I trying to send the homely lunch, okay, during the daytime. So if you want to know the details, I will also trying to update here. Okay, so thanks for your watching as always. So, okay, today's video is beautiful study and discussion, not for buy and sell. So everybody still need to trade with on risk. So I will show you these three parts. Also KLCI view, the sector analysis, and the sign that the stock is about to shoot up. So let's take a look about the index first, KLCI. Okay, KLCI have already break up the big resistance and have increased for a few days already. 3 days are open higher with a gap, or 2 days open high with a gap, so it's quite strong. And 3 days ago, 2 days ago have profitable chips in their daily chart already. The red chips means that there is a lot of people already have people, okay, winning in the market already. So it's really good signal, okay, compared to before. But actually, short term, you need to aware their risk, because if we use the homely software, their dynamic tips, we can see the index already reached the overbought area. Overbought area means that a lot of people buying the counters. So this things happen. Of course, it's a good thing, but once the overbought finished, it's a correction area. Okay, maybe going sideways or maybe go down trade. So we can see the regularity before. Before here, their index are okay, overbought around 8 days. Okay, later on here, when the chips are turned to yellow in the right side, okay, here is the red chip. Red chip is overbought area. When it turns to yellow color, means the overbought area finished. So you can see how long it correction from here till it break out. Okay, almost 20 days correction. So you see, actually, after the correction, you need to be careful, especially for short-term investor. So now already 3 days overbought. So we just pay close attention when the overbought disappeared. Okay, so one of the sector also have appeared this similar regularity. The technology, we see the technology counter. Technology counter 2 days ago already appeared. Okay, 2 days ago the overbought signal already finished. Okay, yesterday already finished. So we can see a last candle of the overbought candle. Okay, last candle of the candlestick of the overbought signal. If it break down, is your exit point for short term. Last time here, okay, here also have overbought signal. Later on it finished. So you can see also correction for around 1 month, around 20 days, right? Later on, you go back. So be careful. Technology already have some pressure here for short term. And also the NASDAQ in US market also have a big pressure and go correction last night. This is a technology. And we can also see other sectors, okay, other sectors. For example, today the finance, okay, finance increased 1.7%. It's quite okay, right? Quite good. It's come back again. And the other sector is just a mixed, okay, slightly up or slightly down. And energy have a heavy sell-off today, 1.9%. So we take a look at the finance. Finance increase, okay, increase, and also have very good pattern here with the banker chips have 68% already. Okay, before it push up yesterday, actually you can see this correction area have banker chips remains here. So this is what I want to talk, the signal that when their shares about to shoot up. Okay, so later on I will also share in the individual counters. This is finance, okay, and we can also see the energy. Energy, okay, have some news, okay, in the US say that the storage is increased, okay, and during these 4 months. So actually you have some correction, but actually we can see a 3 days correction, the bank chips still kind of remain have around 73%. So you know still have a chance, okay, still have a chance, except the black swan happened in the vaccine news. I think all the recovery related counters still have a chance to buy back, okay. So currently, the energy will need to break up the half price of the big yin candlestick, then you have bigger chance. You have another chance to enter. So for short-term investor. Okay, and then other counters, so then no, okay. So another counter is their property. Property is very, very strong. Currently have a good potential because bank chips are highly controlled around 83%. 3 days correction, but still remains above half of this positive candlestick. So you still have a chance if it didn't break down, right? And also considering the bank chips is remains there. So it's a kind of accumulation, okay, accumulation. So once you have a buy point again, you can consider to enter. For example, we can see the hourly chart of the IOI. IOI, and we can see hourly chart. Now it's green color. We cannot enter. Later, when the green color turns to red, then you can consider, right? Of course, we can also tell about the chart, okay, about the chart. You can see the similar pattern, right? It correction, but it didn't break down half price of this big young candle, and the bank chips is not so nice as the index, as the sector, but still remains around 40% without the retailer. So it's also okay, right? It's also okay. So you can also set here the price as your resistance. Once it break out, you can also try to enter. No problem. So if you don't know how to buy and sell, you use hourly chart, and you use this hourly chart. When the green bar turns red bar, you can consider to enter. So this is a property. Then the industry is still very strong, right? Industry is still very strong. Where is industry? This one has still very strong, okay, but it also go to overbought area, okay, so we also wait until it's finished, but we can see bank chips still very strong at around 83%. Okay, so this is about the market review. So actually, if you want to receive the updating during the trading day at around 1 p.m. okay, during the trading day, I will send this homely lunch, okay, homely lunch about the index and the sector, some important news which related to the market, and also their trend, some strategy for the individual shares, and also we'll analyze some counters, okay, which have asked a lot by the investor. So if you want to receive the updates, you can just send homely lunch to 011-165-27962. You can just send homely lunch to 011-165-27962 so that you can receive the day trading updates. Okay. So next part, we share the signal, okay, the signal, how, okay, that when this counters is about to shoot up, okay, about to shoot up. So we can use the counter, use the counter just now, we also said, 5A, this BIM holding is financial counters, and today I increased 8.5% in this sector. Is really good performance, and we can see last 5 days, last week the candlestick is very weak, and still one day have a very big drop in here, right? But it cover back. So this is the performance of their shares, but we need to see the funds, fund size. Then you can judge whether it's potential or not potential to have another shoot up. Actually, these 5 days you can see bank chips highly controlled around 66%. So that's why it have some basic condition of their bankers accumulation before it shoot up. So that's why it can shoot up like this. And actually, we can also see other cases. For example, I'm not sure I'm right. or not. So for example, this one, eco frame, eco frame. These 2 days also have very good performance. Okay, increase yesterday 9%, today 4%. But before it showed up, you can see this area, bank chips also remain. Okay, even here these days even here, right? But you may say, okay, these 2 days decreased so much. No problem. No retailer, no worry. Okay, no green retailer, then no problem. So this is also a banker's accumulation. The shares sideways, but banker chips are highly controlled and remain. Then it means that have banker chips inside, but they didn't push up. Okay, so you know this is a potential area. Later on, once it break out, you can enter. So if you don't want to miss the shoot up, you can enter in advance, but sometimes need to wait for a while because we don't know when the bankers to push up, and you might also didn't push up, right? No 100% things. So you need to also set this stop loss, right? But if you can shoot up and you have time to wait, no problem. But if you don't want to wait, you want to make use of your time and your funds, you can just buy when it break out, no problem. So we can go to the hourly chart. We can use the trend expert of Homely software. Trend expert of this one, the green turn to red here is Tuesday. This Tuesday 11 o'clock. Then you buy till now, no sell point, right? This is the breakout buy point. And how to call them out or filter them out? Actually, we have the banker chips here. We can just filter. You see, totally we filter 36%, 36 shares here. So we can check some of them. Palo, we got just filled out. And actually, today also push up around 11%. Not bad, right? But we can see before it push up, actually also have banker chips highly control around 87%. It's also a really good one. And we can see last 3 days the price is just sideways, right? This is also a sign, okay, of the bankers accumulation. This Artronic also a similar pattern, but it haven't pushed up now. Okay, we need to wait until it starts to push up. So we go to the hourly chart 0038. We use the trend expert. When the green bar turns to red bar, is your time. Okay. And we can see others. The next one is the solution. Solution also is in correction now. You also can wait for the another push up. Okay, we go to the hourly chart. Okay, now it's green color, cannot enter. When the green turn to red, you can consider. So have many counters. We can also see, for example, the genomics, so now it haven't pushed up, but you can see have 6 days already. The bank chips highly controlled with the bank chips around 88%. It's really potential pattern, but I'm not recommending counters. Everybody need to notice that if you have software, you can follow software to trade. Okay, and if you don't have a software, just guess or just follow. I really cannot make sure. Okay, I share you the method and then you use the software to trade. Okay, but it's really a good method for you. This one after you break out, so we can see the hourly chart 010155, and we can see actually today 5 o'clock already have buy point already. So you see in the end of this today it increased around 6%. It's really big one. Today is open low, go slow, and later on shoot up. Okay, push up by the bankers. It's really obvious push up action by the banker chips, right? So yeah, this is a good case. It's a good case. But if you don't have a software, even you enter, you don't know when to sell, then you take a roller coaster. So that's why I always repeated that if you don't have a software, be careful, right? So you still cannot protect your profit, right? Because you don't know when to sell. This is a problem. Okay, others, for example, this one also good, right? The HSS also today have a good push up 8%, but you can see last 4 days also have banker chips. Banker chips remains here. And we can also see Tesco. Tesco also good, right? Tesco and also CYMB. This one also have very good accumulation before it shoot up, right? The banker chips. And many, yeah. So we can see. And for example, this one also very strong, right? But actually the point is that still have retailers. So compared to others, it's not so good. And AWC also very strong, right? But a lot of banker chips accumulation. Okay, this is the method I share with you. So after you have a method, then you need to combine with their software, then you will have a very good profit. So I wish every member, okay, have a very good performance, okay, for tuning in the share market. And if you still not members, you can also join as a member, right? And basically now it's double 12. We also have promotion. If you join as a member, more details, you can also contact me, okay? Can also contact me. Of course, if you want to attend homeless preview class this Sunday morning, now we have a preview class. You can also tell me you want to join the class or not, the preview class. And also if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast group, you can also send your name to 011 1652792. Okay, so this is all my sharing of today's video. So if you can learn something from today's video, you can give me a like and then share this video out to your friend, and also can comment, okay, give your feedback below the video in the comments. Thank you very much. And if you want to receive upcoming videos, you can subscribe my channel and turn on the bell. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.